Hey, what's up? It's Vinny 10 at Vinny 10 Racing, and we have a long-term project that's just getting done. I'm pimping my AMS t-shirt. You buy a lot of GTR parts, they give you a shirt, you know? Great guys. Anyway, no, they're really good guys. Anyway, we're here with Jason's Cars, an 04 350Z, 6 months worth of paint work, pearl white, everything you can imagine, powder coated, GTM stage, whatever kit. You know, just really a work of art at this point. Just some really nice detailed work on the car. I mean, the list would be too long for me to sit here and tell you, to be honest with you. The interior is beautiful, Sparko seats, NRG steering wheel, you know, cool little 8-ball shifter, interior, Greddy boost control, all the gauges, just real nice stuff, you know. Anyway, tuned with up rev, which is real nice. We just finished tuning it. We're going to see what it can do on a final pull, and we'll go from there. I'm going to turn on some fans, and we're going to see how it goes. All right? Sounded wicked, right? 647, 503, beautiful lines, nice air fuel, good boost, probably a little bit more than we want, but pump gas car, just a knockout. Vogue racing, big brakes. This car's got everything you can imagine. This car's got the kitchen sink in it. It's got everything. Matter of fact, it might even have Jimmy Hoffa in it. But anyway, just another knockout, man.